The mini drone with 1080p camera is an excellent choice for beginners, offering easy operation with its one-key start feature and stable altitude hold. Equipped with an adjustable 1080p HD camera, this drone captures high-quality aerial photos and live videos, making it perfect for exploring and sharing scenic moments. With a plethora of exciting features like waypoint fly, gesture selfie, 360-degree flips, and auto follow, this drone ensures a fun and versatile flying experience for all skill levels. The inclusion of 2 rechargeable batteries allows for up to 25 minutes of flight time, and safety features like overcurrent protection and low-power alarm provide a secure flying experience. Compact and portable, this mini drone comes with a storage case, making it a fantastic gift for friends and family who enjoy aerial adventures. Redry offers excellent customer support, ensuring any issues with the drone, remote control, or app are promptly resolved, enhancing the overall user experience.